Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you very much for all my subscribers. I wanted to give one piece of advice to all my traders. There could be various reasons why you have entered into forex trading, but I would advise everybody to learn simple support and resistance line drawing before starting your real-time trading. Support lines drawn in higher time frames are more valid than the support line drawn in the lower time frames. So lower time frame support lines will be breached very easily and it will be dynamic, it will be changing all the time. So maintain a higher time frame range and lower time frame range. When the currency pairs comes near the higher time frame resistance or support, there are more chances for trend reversals to happen. Plan your trade or decide your trade based on the support and resistance. This is very basic information I want to share. Don't depend on other people's advices. If you're new to my YouTube channel, we have a dedicated Telegram channel for our traders where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. I have placed the link for joining at the comment section. Please use it for joining our Telegram channel. So today we are going to be doing daily technical analysis on gold, US dollar, currency pairs. I'm in daily time frame now. Here I've already marked the resistance and support line in daily time frame, and also I have marked a red color trend line here. So presently when we notice it, it has taken support here, it has gone up, and there is a dynamic resistance also here. Once it has breached this dynamic support line, so I was expecting that trend reversal will be happening. But again, yesterday, when you notice it, it had retraced. Presently, it is trending back, but it has not breached this dynamic support yet. New candles like this to be formed below this support line, then only we can confirm that trend reversal has happened. Presently, it is taking support in the dynamic support, and you can see it is forming a red color candle. We may see a little bit of retracement also and test this resistance line over here and a trend reversal to happen also. Presently, there is no confirmation that trend reversal has happened. Let us wait and see how this red color candlesticks forms today, based on which we can decide whether the actual breakout has happened or not. So presently, it is still under consolidation in a higher time frame, and it is starting a downtrend from the look of the present candle formation. If it comes down also, we know that there is a very strong support over here. I am expecting some sort of consolidation like this and start its uptrend at some point. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. As I explained, it has not breached this dynamic support line from daily time frame, and when you notice it, it is trading in a channel pattern. So it has not breached this downside support. I'm expecting it to test this resistance over here and a trend reversal to happen. It doesn't take trend reversal over here. We have a resistance line over here and also resistance area over here. So I'm expecting it to test over here, then a trend reversal to happen and test this bottommost support line. Overall, it is trying to breach this support line. Still, it is taking time to bridge it. Let us go to the 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for today. So I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Since this currency pair is moving in a channel pattern, we'll take this as a dynamic support line from the bottom side. And as long as this support line is holding, we'll see the uptrend to continue. And if once this support line is broken, we can see the downtrend to start. And I'm drawing the support and resistance line over here for today's trading range. This is going to be acting as a support line, and resistance line, we already have this resistance line over here. So if it still continues the uptrend, we can expect it to test this resistance over here, then downtrend to start. Next support line is going to be the present support line where it took the uptrend. This is going to be the next support line, and the resistance is going to be here. This is going to be the resistance. So today also I'm not expecting too much of uptrend to continue. So I'm expecting a downtrend to start and test this bottommost support. We can expect it to test this bottommost support line over here also. Let us wait for the trend reversal, which means breaking this blue color line over here, which is a channel pattern, and then take trade on the downside movements. This is going to be the topmost resistance. This is going to be the immediate resistance. Next resistance is going to be here, and support is going to be over here. Once it breaks this support over here, we can assume that downtrend has started. Next stop is going to be over here, previous point where it took its uptrend. Next support is going to be over here. When we draw a dynamic resistance line also, we can see that it has not retraced enough to test this resistance over here. Let us wait and see how much higher the uptrend can continue. And at any time it can start falling on downside. These are all the ranges for trading today. Before entering the trade, draw your own support and resistance line, do your own analysis, and based on your support and resistance line, decide your entry and exit value. Since it is a 24 hours market, the support and resistance changes all the time. Please plan your trades properly.